the shop. Not overly busy day today. A few jobs to do. Been having a clear out. So I've been clearing out a lot of parts, selling old stock. We moved quite a bit around in the car park and got quite a bit done. So what I'll do is I will take you out and update you, because I've got a job to do out there anyway. So come with me. Today's food of choice, pot noodle. So, BMW. The BMW crank sensor needed doing. We had a timing issue. Done the cam sensors, no win. Did the crank sensor yesterday, which was it's quite difficult to get to. You have to remove the entire intake manifold. This one has core packs now, so that one runs. This is, I don't know if I updated you on this one. This is a new one that we got.
You're joking. Not another one?
Still roadworthy. Has rust. Full Alcantara interior though, but that's an auto. Current. This one, the manual we had the other day. A friend of mine bought that. One of the friends that's down here. The guy who also owns this one, which we've just got the back together. Still some cleaning up to do. Today's job though is this one. I have to remove the sunroof, which, as you can see, I'd already made a pretty good start. Looking at it, it's actually really simple. It looks to me that you have 4 drain pipes. How many bolts are we talking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 to, let's say, 12 bolts. 8 as far as I can see. You don't need to remove these by the looks of it, because we have one there. So, first of all, remove the drain pipes. Then I'm going to start removing some of these centre bolts, leaving the outside ones in. Then I can basically remove the outside ones. Theoretically, the whole thing should start dropping. Most of the weight is here by the looks of it, so let's see how that goes. That is still very hot. Right, so that bracket, I'm going to leave that one for now. Okay, so it looks like we may have to remove these metal brackets. Let's find out. Alright, sunroof's come away from this side. So my assumption is, yes, the metal brackets have to come away. It seems the sunroof is bolted to the top of them. So rather than it all bolting up to the roof, they've used the brackets to be able to bolt it to the pillars of the car. So you see the whole back's now sagging. By the looks of it, you may have to still undo the sunroof from the metal brackets. So you see it's still not free. Looks like some more. Yeah, that's it. Right, that's the sunroof. That didn't go to plan in terms of saving. Uno momento. I lost you for a minute. I dropped you. Let's try it again. Yeah. Get that back inside and then cover the car up a little bit. If I go the wrong way. The Audi, this one, that one, I think needs a wheel bearing. Bit stuck on what to do with this one at the moment. I'm in that sort of middle bit where there's still a lot to do, but it's a bit pricey and you know what I mean. Right, I stopped to eat my pot noodle. Next job, clean up the sunroof a bit, just a bit more presentable. So I'm going to grab my stuff and start cleaning that. With these sunroofs, they're quite prone for leaking. So ideally you just want to check the rubber. All cleaned up, ready for collection. It's just a case of cleaning up a little bit now. Bit by bit, I'm finding things to do. So, next little job, driver's mirror. I believe I need to remove the cover on one of the other cars we've got. The cover is missing. So I'm going to give this a little pull, a little tug, see what happens. So, let's do this mirror. I don't even know if I'm using the right tool, but this is what I'm going for. If I remember rightly, with these mirrors, you have to pop them from there and there, lift, and then unhook. So that's what we're going for. I should hear a click that he's separated. Separating this side. Okay, that's not working. Let's try drag. Okay, so I may need to make it pop some more. Pop. Job's a good one. Give us a clean up. Depending on how it looks from 10 foot, depends on whether I will clean that. It's not so noticeable in the light, but as you can clearly see, this mirror will go back on the shelf. Oh, we have lovely weather. Here's said mirror. Fiddle, fiddle, fiddle. Right, so you should pop. There we go. So I've been a bit lazy today again. I'm still getting used to all this. I finished the light. I don't remember what I did after that. But I met the guy. I sold him the bits. Pardon me, I'm just eating some McDonald's. My friend came by in the manual IS200 from the other day. The one with the black bonnet, black roof, black boot. He purchased that one in the end. He came by because the battery had died, so put a brand new battery in. I was taking it away again, going to go work for the night. Give me an update tomorrow on what that's like. What else we do? I've taken down the voltages because it was dropping power. Even like, as I spoke, like, with the multimeter on the battery, it was progressively dropping from, I think it was 1206 and 1205, 1204, 1203. Progressive enough, you know, I feel if you left it a few hours, it may die. We put a new battery in. We tested that one as well. That was 1205 when it went in. I'm going to test the battery that came out in a minute, see if it's dropped. without being plugged in. See if it's actually holding any charge. It's getting up to 12 volts, which tells me it is charging. The battery's charging, but it's just not holding it, or it's being drained. It does have a hands-free in the car, which could be a culprit.